Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers.
Chef leftovers. You're hungry.
So in this video, I'm about to show you guys what to do if you have leftover neck bones. As you can see now, I'm chopping up some celery, and then next I'll be chopping up some white onions, and now for this next part, you can use whatever you would like to use. I chose to use grease and butter. The butter I like to use because it adds more of a rich flavor to the neck bones as well. Once your butter has melted and your skillet is hot, you want to go ahead and add your celery and your onions. Let that cook down a bit. In the meantime, rinse off your neck bones, which I've done already. Next, you want to add your neck bones, your seasoning, which I've already did here, and then you want to saute those up until they start to brown a little bit. Go ahead and flip them over and let the other side brown a little bit. Alright, once they brown on the other side, go ahead and bring the burner real high. And add water. Make sure you add enough to cover over the top of the neck bones. It must be completely submerged. Now I'm about to make the sauce for the spaghetti. I've added tomatoes that I've sliced up and tomato paste from a can. And in the background, I sliced up some fresh garlic, and I put that in there as well. Then I also put some garlic powder in there just to add more of a garlic taste to it. To add more flavor and help it blend well, I also put about a cup of the broth from your neck bones inside, and right before then I added 2 spoonfuls of sugar to give it like a sweet taste. And then you just blend that up until it's pureed like your normal sauce would be. Once your neck bones have cooked for a while and they're a little bit tender, go ahead and pull it out of the pot. And the broth that you have, you actually want to save that. So I put some ice cubes in the bottom of the bowl, so that way when I pour over the broth, it wouldn't be too hot. Because that bowl is a plastic bowl. Then you remove your neck bones and proceed to debone. Now, this part is a little bit tedious. You want to make sure you remove your bones because it's going to be in a spaghetti, and people don't expect bones to be in a spaghetti. So you want to make sure you do a thorough job of removing the bones. Neck bones tend to have a lot of bones. These neck bones I have here were bought from a meat market, which they are way better than Walmart. They have more meat on them, so they're a little bit more meatier, so they didn't take as much. Alright, now once you have that part done, you're going to grab your knife and just run your knife through the big pieces. So as you're doing that, you're still, make sure there's no bones in there. So you want to make sure you get chopped up to your liking. If you want thick pieces of meat in there, that's fine. Leave it thick. Or if you want small chunks, small chunks. If you want it more grind it up, you can put it in a mixer or blender and get it actual small fine pieces. So I wanted mine a little bit more meatier, so I kind of did small chunks. Alright, now go ahead and combine your meat with your once that's hot, put in your noodles. Add those in there raw. And your noodles will absorb the broth, and it's going to give the noodles a texture and a flavor. Once your noodles are tender, then you go ahead and add the spaghetti sauce that you've made. Let that simmer down a little bit, and then it's ready